my time. Why?
Sorry, ma.
What do you mean by sorry?
Madam, traffic.
What do you mean by traffic? It's a lie.
I'm sorry, ma. It's traffic, ma.
Please take me out of here. What is wrong with you? Can you just turn off that radio? You told me you were coming in the next 5 minutes, and you made me wait for you for 6 good minutes. Mr. Man, time is of importance to me. How can you make me wait for you for 1 extra minute? Can you turn down the radio? Excuse me? I just can't believe this. That's what these Uber drivers, you people are so insolent and rude. I'm even talking to you. You're not answering me. I don't blame you. I don't blame you. Do you know who I am? You're just a common driver. That's what you are. I don't blame you. Okay, can you speed up, please? I'm in a hurry. I have an appointment to miss. Please, just speed up. Eh? Speed up. Why are you so sluggish like a snail? Oh, take it easy. Ah! Why are you driving like this now? You want to kill me?
Sorry, ma.
No, don't just stop telling me sorry. Please. What kind of man is this? Did they send you? Did they send you to kill me?
Madam, you have my money.
What do you mean? Why didn't you tell me all the while I was in the car?
Madam, you are angry now.
How much is your money?
1,050 naira.
1,000 what?
1,050 naira.
For this little trip? Let me see.
Oh, come and see.
You say it's how much again?
1,050 naira.
Good afternoon, young lady. How are you?
Fine. Good day.
Well, congratulations.
Oh, thank you.
Out of 50,000 applicants, only you have the academic requirement. Having graduated with first class honor with GPA 5.0.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. I'm so grateful. Working with Congeal oil and gas has always been my dream. Sir, thank you so much. I appreciate. Thank you. God bless. Oh, I don't know. I'm so...
No problem. No problem. And let me just tell you your benefit. You'll be paid for every 3 months for your vacation to every country of your choice. And then you have health insurance both for you and your family.
Oh my God.
And then you'll be paid $10,000.
No, you're not serious, sir. Thank you. $10,000, sir. This is a life-changing opportunity. Thank you.
Lest I forgot, I want you to give me the document you are asked to come with.
Yes, my document.
What? How old is she?
Hello, young lady, are you okay?
Yes, sir, my...
Funke, how old is she?
Do you think you are here for joke?
Sir, I left my house. I left my house with my documents now. I entered the Uber. Sir, I came...
Apostle, we hear of this.
Do you think we are here for joke?
No, sir, I brought my document for... I entered the Uber.
No, I think when you are coming, you saw the crowd out there. 50,000 unemployed youth
What?
out there looking for this same opportunity and I want to misuse it.
Apostle, we hear of
This
this.
opportunity is for me. God made it for me. Sir, just give me... I'll bring it later or tomorrow.
You have just 10 minutes to submit your document or your employment will be terminated.
Hey, Minister, I have the number of...
See, I have other things to attend to. When you are ready, call me.
Chairman. Sir. Hello, sir.
Hello?
Yes, uncle. No, brother.
What?
Who is this?
Daddy, please.
How old is
don't
she?
be angry, eh? I'm that copper that you just dropped somewhere.
Okay, what can I do for you?
Daddy, sorry, uncle, bros. Please, I think I left my documents in your vehicle. Please, Joe.
You left your what?
Apostle will hear of this.
Help me, Biko, please.
But I'm not around though.
Okay, where are you? Please.
I'm on my way to Ekiti now.
Funka! Apostle will hear of this.
Sir, where are you? Where exactly are you now? Just wait, I'll come and meet you there.
Oh, madam, maybe you can call me back in 3 days' time.
What?
3 days.
Yes, ma.
Office. Who did this to me? Who did this to me?